Nurse pronounced dead at the hospital she worked after motor vehicle crash in St. Mary.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A nurse is dead and 2 other persons injured in a motor vehicle crash in the parish of St. Mary on Friday night, December the 14th. The deceased has been identified as Kimilia Rose, otherwise called Kim, of a Belfield address in the parish. Reports are that shortly after 9 p.m, Rose left the Annotto Public Hospital in the parish, where she worked after her shift was completed, and boarded a taxi that plies the Annotto to Port Maria route. It is reported that the taxi was travelling along the Rose End main road when the driver swerved to avoid colliding with a minibus that was travelling in the opposite direction, but lost control of the vehicle, which then slammed into a truck that was parked along the roadway. The nurse and 2 other passengers who were in the vehicle sustained injuries. They were taken to the same hospital where the nurse worked, where she was pronounced dead and the others treated.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.